Yeah, you say eternal life is the nature of God. How is it the nature of God? You want to know. How is it the nature of God? I told you two things. It is what the organic and existential attributes of deity. In other words, number one is that it must be organic. You see, if it's real life, there'll be things that are consistent with the organic nature of an entity. Number two, it must be existential. And that will mean that the understanding that he exists must be there. An idol doesn't know he exists. That's why he has eyes that don't see, ears that don't hear, right? He has a mouth, but he can't talk. And he has legs, but he can't move. They have to carry him from place to place. He doesn't know he exists. He has no understanding. And yet, Egypt had myriads of gods. You remember? Myriads of gods. Idols, and idols, and idols, and idols. Rome, Greece and Rome, named celestial gods.
Welcome to iCreate TV, connecting the world to the truth.